This Flux Charts Premium, too good to be true. Come over here, I will show you something. We got this strong sell signal, and the question is, are we gonna take this? My answer, no. Why, Borsa? It's a strong sell? Be calm. So here it is. I always use a confirmation tools, right? So here you can see 3 indicators on my chart from the Flux Charts Premium, and this is your USD 3-minute time frame chart. With this setup, I bank every day, every week. Now, what I want is to teach you how you can use these tools and make some money. So we don't take this signal because this signal doesn't come with all confirmation. The first thing we're looking for is the strong sell signal. The second thing is the IFG check, but we don't have one thing, which is a breaker blocks. I want to see a breaker blocks to confirm my position, right? And the final thing is also we're looking for always a target, but we have the target, Borsa. Yes, but we don't have the breaker blocks. So now we're passing out this signal. Now we will roll the market to get the next signal and see if we confirm it or not. Here we are just trading, and now we received this buy signal. It's not the strong one, I know, but this is a personal choice. If you want to take it, you can take it if other conditions are met. Oh, what are the conditions? So here we are. Let's zoom in, baby. We have IFG, which means an inverse fair value gap. And if you don't know what are those meanings, you can go and watch my free bootcamp. Yes, it's completely free. I could easily sell for $2,000, but it is free. Go to my channel, you can find Ultimate Trading Bootcamp. Just watch it and you will learn everything you need to know about these price sections. So here it is, our baby here, the breaker block. It's working very well, and Flux Charts is giving you the take profit levels here, TP1, TP2, and the final TP, and it comes with the stop loss. Most of the people says that, oh, the stop loss is very far, Borsa. It has to be. If you wanna be in this game, you need to put your stop loss in the safe place. But there is a catch with this stop loss, and no one talks about it. And I will teach you now. Let's say we executed a position here, right? And what you wanna do is, when you get the TP levels, right? So you hit the price here, and you will just took off a half of your position, let's say, and you initiate a sell. And what you do is, now you will trail your stop loss. Now you want to use the recent IFG, you want to use the MTF supply and demand indicator. I know you are wondering which tools I'm using and with which settings. I will come to that. First, you need to learn how to use it. Then I will show you my settings. Relax. Our risk reward is increased significantly. And this is our final TP, and even on my chart, I got the previous day high. I can even target to that. Let's see, I'm not cherry picking, this is just the last day. You can just go and back. Today date is the Sunday, 10th of August after the market opened. So let's see if we get the full TP. You can see that we got the full TP. Now, what you can do, you will just take off 250 more, and you will put your stop loss, as you guessed it, in the profit. You can use this recent IFG. Why? Because price trade into it and rejected and push the price up here. So final TP can become at the previous day high. Easy like that. Don't get attached to my contract sizes. It's just for the demonstration purposes. So let's see if we get stopped or not. This is the risk I want to take. I want to leave the runners always. So we got stopped. But what happened here, Borsa? We received a strong sell. What we gonna do? You see, now we are in profit. We took a 2 partial full TP and we leave the runner to previous day high, but it didn't happen. Why? Because as you can see, we got a multiple rejection from the NTF supply and demand zones indicator. So let's look over to this and see what's going on. We received a strong sell signal. We got the IFG, we got the breaker block. Everything meets. And the final thing is, do we have the target? Yes, absolutely yes. We have the target and we have the take profits here. So you know the thing. We will initiate for a demonstration a 1000 contract here, short position. I want to take partial on the way and I will trail my stop loss. Let's see. So my current stop loss is this place, right? So it's obvious. But you can adjust to this IFG. You can trail however you want. Let's put it here and let's see what's going on. So use your brain to put the stop loss, because you can see clearly here that we got the IFG, we got the breaker blocks. These are our confirmation tools. If we broke the confirmation, I don't want to be in this position, right? So let's roll the market to see if we get the hit or the miss. And boom, we got the second partial here. We just missed the price action. Yeah, we're gonna take the partial here. We will took the half of our position here, and I wanna ride this position till the where? Till this blue line. Guess what? What is this blue line? Previous day low. It's the huge liquidity levels. Don't get attached to these TPs. You can use this previous day low and the high. You can just try your chance because it makes sense. Now I want to put my stop loss to this high over here, and I will roll the market now to see if I get the full TP or not. As you can see that all the TP levels got smashed, but I want more. Let's see if I can get it or not. You see? It's coming closer. Now I will take a half of it and I will trail my stop loss to this equal highs and the newly created the breaker block. And let's see if I get the full TP, and boom. This is it, ladies and gentlemen. Now ask yourself, is it too good to be true or not? Because when you receive the signal, people got confused. Oh, am I gonna take this? What should I do? Here is the answer. You will use only two confirmation, IFG and the breaker block. If you get that, you good. It's an optional choice to jump with the normal signal and the strong one. It's a personal choice. You can go and backtest, see if it's a good fit or not. Now it's time for me to show you which indicators I'm using, and you can see, let's go to indicators tab and we will search for Flux Charts, and what I'm using is the MTF supply and demand zone, SVX algo, and the price action toolkit. Click all of them to add to your chart. Now my time frame is, as I said, 3 minutes, but do not be afraid to go and change the time frames. It's so easy to backtest. All you need is 2 or 3 hours to see if the time frames works good with this setting. So let's come to my settings now. My settings is trading style is day trader, trend length is short term, and sensitivity is 12. You can enable the AI sensitivity optimizer, but I don't use it. It's a personal choice. So these are my settings. Copy if you want. So the MTF supply and demand, these are my settings again. Time frames is I chart. Time frames, I use the chart, but you can go for the 15 minutes if you want. It will increase your chances here also. So detection method is the momentum. Obviously sensitivity is medium, and you can just copy rest of my settings. And my favorite indicator, the price action toolkit, I will go very quickly. Inversion fair value gap has been enabled. I don't enable the fair value gaps because I want to go with the inverse fair value gaps always. And I don't use order blocks, as well as I will go with the breaker blocks. So you see, I am using my math brain, my brain, to increase my profits, to increase my RR, to increase my win rate. These are the tools that I'm using every single day. So breaker blocks and the inversion fair value gaps, time frames is chart, and I have enabled equal high, equal low to find my targets. And finally, obviously MTF highs and lows, daily, weekly, monthly, and the pre-market. This is it. These are my settings. It has a very high win rate. I don't believe you will lose money if you just copy this trading style and trade consistently while you manage your risk well. So that was all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Before you leave, make sure you check my other Flux Charts videos here, and until the next time, see you soon.